Here I am. It's me, GappaMagix, 8566. It's me, GappaMagix, second channel, 5678. GappaMagix 5678. Here I am. I'm at Hazelwood and Center Street, ready to go down that hill over there, no-handed. Let's before we do that, do the ritual here. See if I should get upset and find out where the scoundrels say I am today. We're gonna ask the phone what time and date it is, and I do have my location on. Oh, that's cute. Today they let me have my phone location where I am. That's so precious. You people make me fucking sick. Not literally, figuratively. So anyway, now I said what I said, and I really don't give a fuck. That's why I said it. Those people, they got an expensive stump carved into an eagle. That's pretty cool. That's something cool to do besides cut down the whole goddamn tree like some pieces of shit do. And anyway, here's the part where you think I'm gonna fall down the hill or fall off the bike when I go no-handed. This is for your viewing pleasure. You say you wanna go for a spin, but don't worry, baby, the party just began. And you'll drive us wild, and I'll drive you crazy. Da-da-da-da-da-da. You keep on shouting, you keep on shouting. I can't hear you. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night. Da-da-da-da. Party every day. Ah. That was well good. One of my favorite rock bands of all time, way before my time, but still one of my favorites, Kiss. Great movie, you should check it out. Kiss is starring in it too. Well, the band they are, but the movie's about party movie. It's called Detroit Rock City. Here I am, taking the bike over there since it's almost dark. And since it's not muddy. My lovely said as long as I don't get her bike muddy, I can ride it. Take a look to see if Mr. Mean ate the food, and if he did, bring some more food soon. But as well, it's due diligence to stay active. So instead of just riding a bike, I might as well show up all the way out here and take a look. There's my tail following me on location. Remember today they decided to say that they're not me, even though they have my ID with the RDFI chip. And anyway, put the bike right there, safe spot. I don't know if he ate the food or not. About to find out though. The box still looks like it hasn't been touched. We'll find out. Nope. Everything's gone. Took, how you say, gracefully. Everything. Meaning, there's a little mark right there. Meaning this literally took out of there, and I have it wedged there where it's firmly put. Meaning, it's got, how you say, fingers or claws that, how you say, can grab or grasp. I believe it's a dog man, a coyote man, wolf man, fox man. I also believe what I said. I believe it was a normal creature, normal animal that we call one of those words, and then abducted by aliens. Or, if you want to believe in native folklore, then I guess a skinwalker that magically can turn into something. But if you believe what I believe, extra beyond both of them, how you say, like an underground fauna, meaning some type of place where there's a nook that goes under the earth. And if you believe in hollow earth like I do, meaning there could be a whole nother civilization underneath the ground that we step on. So anyway, that's what I have to say, pretty much. And obviously he was hungry, that's why he took it. Hey, look it. I don't know if this was here, but this is all kind of just put right up in there and stuff. So, everything's took. So we'll kind of just leave it. Actually, I'm gonna fix it. Let him know there ain't nothing in there right now. Put it in there, upside down. He should know by how it looks that it's not, there ain't nothing in there yet. Take a little walk over here once. What am I doing? If you're wondering, I'm scanning, not with the camera. I'm looking around though. Now, this has been March. Don't ask me why, but not for sure really why they do that, but they dubbed this. Here's a tack in the tree. And why is it in there? It's mine now. Yo, check it out. This is like something right here. Something, I don't even know what to say about this. Scraping, showing its power. That's my belief. I can't prove it though. And then, oh my God, I'm staring at it and I can't believe what I'm looking at. Take a look here. Check it out. I don't know if that's sod or is this broken. It is broken. This is a large circumference of a tree. Not that large like that one right there, but for what it is worth, this is broke by, I want to say pushing. Oh my God, look at this. That's like put there deliberately. A bit of a hair. I don't have anything to collect a sample in right now. I forgot to bring a bag or something. I'm not gonna just put it in my pocket, it could fall out. We'll leave that there though, come back later. And look at this. When that tree fell, whenever it was, park rangers came and or had the cadets start sawing all this. I wouldn't quite call this hallowed land or hallowed ground or whatever, but it is, in my opinion, folklore inhabited, if that's the best way to put it. I know I'm just trying to, how you say, keep you entertained by talking. Don't really know what else to say or film right now, but we're looking for something that's extraordinary. This is a path right here. And for all we know, I can't prove this, but I mean, for all we know, it like lurks right there. Little spot right here. Temperature is about 52, 48 degrees, somewhere in there. What we're looking for as well is poop, scat, signs of proof of life. Go right up in here. You can tell it slightly stinks right here. Not bad smell, but definitely like, and this is what I'm talking about right here. It's been gnawing on this, practicing sharpening its teeth, or just doing it for fun, I guess. And we'll go all in on what I'm about to say here. Here's the trail, literally, right here. So we'll follow this for a second, just for a little bit. Maybe we'll see footprint or something. It's very quiet out here too. Into the thick of it. If you're wondering what I'm wearing and why I keep wearing everything, in case the bean or dogman or wolfman seen me before, they'll know it's me. Then they won't attack me. It's key to stay in the same outfit. And believe it or not, I wash this outfit at least once a week, sometimes twice, meaning the pants and the coat. What's this? Look at this. This is all like cleared away right here. It's rather odd. It is dead quiet too. I'm not joking at all. Literally, whisper quiet. It's so quiet right here that I could hear a pin drop. Literally. I am not joking. That's what they say usually I'm being watched. If it's this quiet if someone was high or drunk and they spun around in a circle about 10 times, you get lost out here quick. Me, I know the direction I need to go over there is that way. It's a time and place to get high and drunk, and it isn't out here when you're exploring, searching for signs of bipedal humanoid creature life or dogman activity. Look at this right here. This is all like marshland, kind of spongy. Look at, and it's like all cleared away, kind of. It's odd, rather odd right here. Check it out. This is all kind of like bent right here. Bent and put in such a way where small little nook right there. I'm listening to. I can't hear anything. That means hypothetically I'm being watched. That's what they say in the stories of the podcasts I listen to. Now I can't prove it, but I sense and I feel it, if that makes any sense. I feel a presence, possibly invisible presence, maybe just ghosts, but I feel as if I'm being watched right now. I'm gonna keep walking though, just for a little more while. It's not quite dark yet for me to take off my sunglasses, so I can, how you say, keep coming, or how you say, going this way. Check it out. If I turn around, I know where I'm going. I gotta go straight back that way. But hypothetically, someone else, they spin around in a circle a few times, drunk or high, they have no idea where the hell they are. Now look at this. This is what I saw. What's that? It's like it took its claw and just can't be proven. This is a hypothetical deduction. Hypothetical deduction means an analysis of what I'm looking at. And through my studies of listening to podcasts and research online, watching, studying, and reading, it's my hypotenuse. Look at this. This is once, I don't know if it was in the ground or is it put there. Look at this. It's literally put there. So where did it come from? It's like it literally got put there. Unless it came from that tree way up there. It fell. Kind of looks like the same bark. Take a look. Let's inspect it. This tree right here. Since it's hanging off so high. Let's see here. It's similar. Look at this. This is one of those ancient oak trees. It's huge. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trees growing out of one. That's amazing. Wow. I've never seen a tree like this. Oh my God. Let's take a look here. That is huge. Look at this. Someone was out here. And pick it up. What are they drinking? Bush Light. B-U-S-C-H. There's a hoof print. Regular print. That tree is huge. Circumference wise, I don't have a measuring tape, but I want to say it's like 20 feet around. If that makes any sense. You take the tape and loop it around the tree. Maybe not 20, but about 15 for sure. What's that? That is a huge poop. Wow. So someone was out here drinking this. Stepped on it too. You gotta watch out for stuff like this. This is called a widowmaker. Potentially fall by fate of ghosts or natural occurrence. Fall in your hair, you die out here. I'm literally into the thick of it. Into the thick of it. Yo, this tree's kind of crazy. Okay, I'm back on a trail here. You can tell by how it's stomped down. See where it goes. Excuse me. Hey, what's this? There's like a creek over here. Wow, this is kind of a extraordinary little spot right here. Oh my God, what is that? That's just water. For a second I thought it was something in the water. This is crazy. I don't think this is man-made either. This is natural gully, natural creek. And honestly, I have no idea how to get across without getting wet. Take a look here. Look for prints. Water's going to the right. Okay, time to head back to the bicycle. This is a little trail right here I'm walking on too. You can tell by looking at it. See? Follow the trail. I could walk across right there on that log. I'm not going to though. I'm gonna see where this goes. Probably know there's an entrance under the ground right over here. Hypothetically. You get turned around real quick out here. I didn't even know this existed right here. And how did it? I never walked over this creek. That's what I'm trying to understand right here. Take a look here. Prince. Keep going. Because I have no idea how this creek is here and I never walked over it. I have no idea even what to say about it. Look at that's broke. Intentionally. Okay, it's time to get going. I smell something. Stink. What the hell? Oh my God, hold on. I know where I am right now. This is the other part of the trail. Oh. Check it out. I make my own little spot here to step. Take this and kind of kick it over there. For all we know, it's under there. Film it. I have no idea if it is or not. back on the path. That was crazy because I entered over there. And I found a keepsake too. I found a pin and a piece of trash to throw away. This pin, fancy pin, orange. I'll keep that. Hey, that's good luck. I don't know if you see it or not on the camera, but that was a cardinal, a male cardinal, bright red. I'll be honest, if I didn't have my wits about me, and if it was somebody else, hypothetically, you could start panicking real quick in there. Me, I don't really panic when I'm in the woods. If you panic when you're in the woods, that's how you start scurrying around and get twisted ankle or broken leg, or worse. If you believe in the spirits like I do, they know if you're paranoid or scared out here. I'm walking back to the bicycle. Alright, I'm gonna pause the phone now and then film me throwing away this piece of litter once I get there. Here we go. There's a spy plane. They know I'm out here tracking my location. Look at them, they're literally flying right over above me. Literally, right over above me. Ha! Take a pee here. Then I'm gonna film myself riding out of here. Hold on. Get the sign over here. Now Jose. Thieves. Theifs. Thieves. Remember, never pee or poop in the woods unless you ask permission by the forest gods. It's bad luck. If it's an emergency and you forget to ask, they may forgive you. But if there's a toilet or porta potty somewhere, you better use that. Period. Hey, wow. Did you see that? I don't know if you saw it or not. That deer just sprung across the whole road in one bound. I'm not joking. I've never seen a deer jump that long. That deer jumped about 20 feet. It cleared the whole road. I don't know if that's on film or not. As well, when I didn't have it on film, or like you say, doing this activity, but on the way here, I filmed a hawk. Or I didn't film it, excuse me, I seen it. I wish I filmed it. That's how I meant to say it. Pardon me. And anyway, just know, believe it or not, that was a lot of fun. Just, how you say, stomping around out there, seeing what I could see, and getting lost for a small bit of time. But I wasn't worried. But code is, don't trust the dark. Not that I'm scared of the dark, It's just that you gotta maintain code. Stinks right here. Like, believe it or not, like Sasquatch or Dogman peed or pooped and like spread it on the ground or on this thing. It does stink really bad right there. I never wanted to tell you until right now, but I thought it would smell would go away. Every time I leave from walking or entering this way, I smell it. Anyway, that's all I know. So we'll film for a little bit. There's another spot. Once, if the camera makes it over there, we'll how you say, I'll film that other spot to prove that there's another spot that I will go look at, explore over there soon. Once it gets a little bit more dry, because I don't want to have to clap my boots off every time when I'm done with doing anything. Still rather moist dirt. Once that dirt settles, gets into regular soil where it won't, how you say, mark the earth, then I'll go out here, and that's over here. Let me show you. Right here. They wasted time and money too. Takes a lot of money to go and buy these rocks, whoever did this, and then set them up and make a pathway, as well as, how you say, keep the land from eroding. This is the part where I usually get off the bike and start walking. And as well, this is the next part I want to show you. Right here. Tunnel. The other day it was running, not a deep water, but like an inch or two going in there.